Samurai smoke alarms, trusted by many to keep their homes safe, have recently come under scrutiny. 361 LLC, the manufacturer, has issued a recall affecting approximately 328,000 units. The reason? These alarms can fail to alert users in the event of a fire, posing serious risks. Sold between July 2020 and November 2024, these alarms were marketed as reliable safeguards. However, reports from the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission indicate that 8 alarms failed to activate in the presence of smoke, leaving consumers vulnerable. Priced between $40 and $50, these defective alarms were sold nationwide, both online and through HSN. Each unit came with lithium-ion batteries, mounting plates, and an instruction manual, promising peace of mind that was ultimately unfounded. If you or a loved one has experienced personal injury or property damage due to a malfunctioning Samurai smoke alarm, now is the time to take action. Legal recourse is available, and you may be entitled to compensation. Schmidt & Clark is here to help. Our dedicated products liability litigation group is ready to provide you with a free, confidential case review. Contact us toll-free at 866-588-0600 or click the link below to start your case evaluation today. For over 3 decades, Schmidt & Clark has stood by individuals and families, ensuring justice is served. We are currently handling Samurai smoke alarm cases across the nation, committed to holding manufacturers accountable for their negligence. Don't wait. Reach out to Schmidt & Clark today. Your safety is our priority, and we are here to help you secure the justice and compensation you deserve.